In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Calendly API key. This quick and straightforward process should take us about 5 minutes, so let's get started right away. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to calendly.com. Once you're on the website, you'll find the login option typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page where we're going to authenticate your account. Next, enter the email address associated with your Calendly account and hit continue. This step is part of the usual login process, ensuring that it's really you trying to access your account. Then type in your password and click continue once again. If all goes well, you'll be logged into your Calendly account and we can move on to the next step. Now that you're on the home page of Calendly, look for the integrations section. This is where we'll be able to manage various tools that connect with your Calendly account. Click on Integrations and Apps, which is generally found in the main navigation bar or under Settings, depending on your user interface. In the Integrations and Apps section, you'll see a variety of options. Look for the one labeled API and webhooks and click on it. This area is designed for developers and users who want to extend Calendly's functionality and integrate it with other apps or services. Once you're in the API and webhooks section, you should see a button or link that says Get a Token Now. Clicking on this will initiate the process of creating your own API token, which is a unique identifier that allows authorized access to your Calendly data. After clicking Get a Token Now, a prompt will likely appear asking you to continue. Hit continue to proceed to the next step, and you'll be asked to enter a name for your API token. This name is for your reference and can be anything descriptive that helps you remember what the token is intended for. Then click on Create Token to generate your new API token. As a security measure, Calendly will send a verification code to your registered email address, so head over to your Gmail or email client and retrieve that code. Input the code where prompted to complete the verification process. With verification out of the way, you'll finally see an option to copy token. Click on that to copy your API token to your clipboard, making it easier for you to use or store securely. Once you've copied the token, you can close the window, and there you have it, you've successfully retrieved your Calendly API key. With these steps completed, you can now integrate Calendly with other applications and create more automated workflows. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found